Everyone knows about the expensive rackets. Yonex, Leaning, Victor, they're everywhere. But what if I told you there are 6 rackets hiding in plain sight that outperform most premium rackets, almost half the price, and nobody's talking about them? These are the hidden gems of badminton rackets. Championship level weapons engineered by smaller brands that got buried under marketing noise. Today, I'm showing them to you because you deserve to know these exist. Badminton equipment industry in India has got an incredible diversity. The well-known brands do amazing work, no doubt in that. But what's exciting is that there are other companies who are also creating exceptional rackets at different price points. At rupees 6000, you have multiple options that deliver championship level performances. These 6 rackets represent different playing styles, different strategic approaches, and different ways to dominate the court. Each one is engineered with precision and built to last. Each one solves a specific problem for a specific player. Important clarification before we dive in. The order you're about to see has absolutely nothing to do with ranking or performance hierarchy. This isn't best to worst. These are 6 distinct discoveries. Each is exceptional for different reasons and different player types. We are exploring these options, not creating a ranked list. So let's discover them together. First, let's start with the most aggressive option, the Max Bolt Gallant Tour Badminton Racket. This is a head-heavy power beast which weighs approximately 88 to 89 grams. It has got a balance point shifted towards the head at 300 mm. The shaft is completely stiff, which means minimal flicks. You're not getting any free power from the frame whip. Every ounce of power comes from your stroke. The frame of this racket is made with Suoi carbon graphite with ultra high modulus 30T carbon. That's a premium material at a price lower than Rs 6000. The precision T joint maximizes energy transfer through the frame. The maximum string tension capacity of this racket is 45 lbs, the highest tension capacity in this list. That means you can string it aggressively for tournament level precision. Now let's understand how this racket performs on the court. For power, I'll give 9 out of 10. The racket generates explosive smash power. The head heavy balance and stiff shaft creates momentum that translates into devastating rear court attacks. At a price lower than 6000, you won't find racket that hits harder. In terms of speed, I would give this racket a 8 out of 10. The head heavy costs you some speed, but don't misunderstand. This is still a quick racket for aggressive play. It's just not as snappy as lighter a headlit. In terms of control, I'll give this racket a 9 out of 10. Here's the surprise strength. The stiff shaft and precision T-joint provides excellent shot accuracy. Your smashes are explosive, but they are also precise. You're not just hitting hard, you're hitting where you intend. In terms of defense, I would rate this racket 8 out of 10. Defense isn't this racket's primary function, but it's solid. Rapid defensive exchanges are slightly slower due to head heavy weight, but controlled returns are excellent. So who should use this racket? Tournament attackers who prioritize explosive smashes and precision over everything else. If you are a single specialist who wins through dominant rear court performance, this is your racket. The hidden value of racket is that 45 lbs string tension capacity. At this price, it's exceptional. You can match the tension level of premium tournament rackets at a fraction of cost. The NanoShield protective finish means durability for tournament. Now the main question, what's the price of this racket? Max Bolt Gallant Tour is available at just rupees 4492 rupees on thegodofsports.com. Next up, we have got the Max Bolt Woven Gold Limited Edition. It's a 4U racket weighing 83 grams. This is lightweight and even balanced. The balance point is slightly head heavy at 290 mm, but not aggressively so. The shaft is flexible, which is crucial here. This racket wants to bend, absorb energy and return it efficiently. The frame of this racket is made up of woven high modulus graphite. Not as premium sounding as the Galantus material, but here's the intelligence. Woven graphite is durable and provides excellent repulsion power. The 76-hole grommet system optimizes string tension distribution across the frame. Maximum tension which this racket holds is 35 lbs. Now let's understand how this racket performs on the court. For power, I would give this racket a 8 out of 10. This isn't a power focused racket, and that's the point. You get moderate power suited for all court play. Your smashes are very good, but this racket shines in controlled rallies. In terms of speed, its lightweight construction and the flexible shaft creates responses. Your racket recovery between shots is fast. You can handle rapid exchanges comfortably. In terms of control, I would give this racket a 9 out of 10. This is where the gold woven becomes special. The flexible shaft provides excellent feel. Your placement shots, your network, and your controlled clears are reliable and precise. In terms of defense, I'll rate this racket 8 out of 10. Fast rallies feel natural with the racket. Your defensive positioning is supported by the speed and its lightweight design. In terms of handling, this is genuinely comfortable. If you are refining your game, learning new shots, or playing extended rallies, your arm won't fatigue. The gold woven is forgiving in its best way. So who should use this racket? I would recommend this racket to intermediate to advanced all-court players who want a racket that rewards technique over power. If you're focused on improving your game through controlled gameplay, this is your training and match weapon. So the hidden value in this racket is, at a price of 5,592, you're getting a racket that feels like Rs 12,000. Headlight a all-court racket. The durability of woven graphite means it'll outlast alternative cheaps. So now the most important question, what's the price of this racket? The Max Bolt Gold Woven is priced at Rs 5,492 rupees. The durability of woven graphite means it'll outlast the cheaper alternatives. The flexibility is genuine. This racket bends intentionally to absorb impact and return energy. Next up, the Swiss Army knife, the Max Bolt Superstar 11. This is a 4U racket, meaning it weighs around 84 to 85 grams, consistent and lightweight. The balance of this racket is at 295 mm, which makes it an even balanced racket. The shaft is highly stiff, which gives you excellent control. The material in the frame is the 40T high modulus carbon graphite. That's a significant material specification. One of the interesting things about this racket is it can hold tension up to 43 lbs. That's literally very high, and it justifies that the racket is highly durable. Now let's understand how this racket performs on the court. In terms of power, I'll rate this racket 9 out of 10 for sure. The racket's amazing, the smashes are pretty precise and deep, and it's got a good third court to third court clearance. In terms of speed, I will rate this racket 8 out of 10. It's lightweight and even balanced, which makes the racket highly responsive, great for offensive and defensive shots. In terms of control, I'll give this racket 9 out of 10. This is the Superstar 11's defining characteristic. Precision placements, controlled drops, accurate clears. This racket is built for accuracy. In terms of defense, I'll rate this racket a 8.5 out of 10. The stiff shaft makes the racket highly stable and exchanges become very quick and responsive. In terms of handling again, I'll give this racket 8.5 out of 10. The racket is highly maneuverable. Long rallies won't fatigue your arm. Your swing feels natural and fluid. So who should use this racket? This racket is made for intermediate to advanced level players who want versatility without compromising. If you're thinking player, someone who values precision and placement over raw power, this is your racket. Now the main question again, the price. The price of Max Bolt Superstar 11 is Rs 5,392. What's special about this racket is that it gives you superb quality, it gives you superb control, it gives you superb power, at a price which is half than what you get in the pro rackets of your top brands. And also, the 43 lbs string tension justifies how durable this racket is. Next in the list is the Apex Finapi 232 Extra Power. We all know how the Finapi 23 racket is. It's really one of the best all-round rackets in the market, and it's still relevant even after being in the market for more than 8 years now. So Apex took this racket to some next level. This time they've got the Apex Finapi 232 Extra Power, which is an advanced version of the Finapi 232 but with that extra punch. Coming to the basic specifications of the racket, it is a 4U profile racket which weighs around 85 to 88 grams, which is a solid weight without excessive heaviness. Speaking about the balance point, it's an even balanced racket which has a balance point of 295 mm. The frame of the racket is made using carbon nanotube technology. This is a standout. Carbon nanotube construction is aerospace grade material engineering. It's incredibly durable and provides exceptional energy transfer. Combined with 24T Japan high-grade graphite, this frame is built for aggressive and tournament play. The maximum tension which this racket can hold is 40 lbs, which is again very high, and it also means that the racket is highly durable. Now let's understand how this racket performs on the court. In terms of power, it's 9.5 out of 10. Exceptional power, especially for smashing. The carbon nanotube technology and the triple speed frame combines for devastating offensive capabilities. This is a racket that will punish your weak returns. In terms of speed, I will give this racket 9.5 out of 10. The aerodynamic frame helps with quick responses and fast swings. Your racket acceleration is impressive, which creates more power without much more effort. In terms of control, I would rate this racket a 8.5 out of 10, which is quite decent, even for singles or be it for doubles play. In terms of defense, I'll give this racket 8 out of 10. It's really good even for singles or doubles play. In terms of handling, since the racket is even balanced, the racket is quite maneuverable on your hand. Even for doubles, the fast exchanges are quite stable and accurate. So who should use this racket? It's for players who want raw power and a combination of speed at the same time. If you win through dominant attacking play and you need a racket that's built for punishment, this is it. Now the most important thing, the price. The price of Apex Finapi 232 Extra Power is just Rs 2092. Can you just imagine the quality you are getting at such a low price? It's really amazing. Next up, we have the Apex Z Ziggler Reborn. This is again a reborn or an upgraded version of the most famous racket in Apex, which is the Z Ziggler. It weighs around 84 to 85 grams, which comes under your 4U category. It has a head-heavy balance of 300 mm. The weight of this racket is just 84 grams, which means it's a 4U category. The balance of this racket is head-heavy and the point is at 290 mm. This is strategically shifted towards power. The shaft is medium stiff. Not rigid, but not flexible either. The composition of this racket is again made of Japan grade high modulus graphite, which means the durability is gonna be amazing. Also, you can see 4 power assist bumpers at the 4 corners of the racket. Here, 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 and one at here. The stringing capacity of this racket is 42 lbs. Now let's understand how this racket performs on the court. In terms of power, I would give this racket 9.5 out of 10. The smashes are very fast and powerful. In terms of speed, I would rate this racket 8.5 out of 10. Despite being head heavy in nature, the slim shaft does magical work. The racket is very fast across the net and it is super easy to handle even during doubles. In terms of control, the racket's pretty decent, 8 out of 10. The racket is highly stable and the racket returns to its natural position after the shot is placed very quickly. In terms of defense, also I'll rate this racket 8 out of 10. It has got some solid defensive capabilities. This racket handles defensive situations well, though its true strength is attack. Now the main question, who should use this racket? This racket is suitable for players who just want pure raw power. The racket is so amazing in terms of smashes that you're simply gonna love it. In terms of price, This racket is priced at just rupees 2692. That's it. Great value for money. And now, last in this list is the Felett Z Force 2. This racket is highly inspired from the legendary Yonex Voltric Z Force 2 racket. My favorite. Nostalgia. The racket is 4U and it weighs around 84 to 85 grams. It has got a head-heavy balance and the shaft is medium flex. Also, the stringing capacity of this racket is 32 lps. Now let's understand how this racket performs on the court. In terms of power, I would rate this racket 8.5 out of 10. The power's literally amazing, the smashes are deep and very fast. In terms of speed, I would rate this racket 9 out of 10. The super slim shaft and a compressed head frame makes the racket highly maneuverable and fast. In terms of control, I would rate this racket 8.5 out of 10. It's excellent for precise attacks and controlled shots. The medium flex shaft allows for touch play without sacrificing the potential of raw power. In terms of defense, I will give this 8 out of 10. The defense, not being its strong area, it's still pretty stable and good enough. In terms of handling, smooth handling with fast swings and excellent stability. This racket feels good in your hand during extended play. 9 out of 10 for handling. So who should use this racket? This racket is specially designed for beginner to intermediate players who have attack as their strong zone. If you excel in fast-paced, aggressive play and you want a racket that keeps up with your game, this is it. So the main question, what's the price of Felett Z Force 2? The price of this racket is just rupees 2743 only. Now let me position these rackets for more clarity. Remember again, no ranking. If you want pure power, go for Maxbolt Gallant Tour or Apex Finapi 232 Extra Power. If you want all court balance, go for Maxbolt Gold Woven or Maxbolt Superstar 11. Or if you want power with precision, go for Apex Z Ziegler Reborn. Or if you want speed and power, which is the most deadly combination, go for Felett Z Force 2. See, each racket serves a different player type and its playing style. Here's what I have discovered after testing these 6 rackets. At a price lower than Rs 6000, you have genuinely exceptional options. Whether you choose one of these or explore other brands, what matters is that you understand your playing style and match it with the right equipment. These 6 rackets are engineered with precision, built with quality materials, and designed to help you play better badminton. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful and if I have helped you discover your next badminton racket, give a like. It helps me bring more honest equipment reviews to your screen.